Guys, make sure to stay until the end. One common mistake, if you make that mistake, guys, we'll talk about what it is. It can actually cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 5 Series generation F10 F11 from year 2010 to year 2017. If you need to find where the audio system fuses are located, you have multiple fuses that you need to check. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays, that way do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do almost anything. Transmissions, engines, bodywork, codes, fuses. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Now guys, we took pictures of every fuse box in that BMW, okay? Every fuse box, so we can clearly guys show you where everything is located, so you can clearly see the fuses, because otherwise they're hidden in places where practically we cannot get the camera. So we're going to show you one by one, okay? We have video about every single fuse, every single relay. So let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to guys, okay, find where the fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, watch our video. It will take you probably guys less than 2 minutes, replace that fuse and you're back on the road. Otherwise you'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere guys. We make those videos for your convenience. Now we'll make video for every single fuse and every single relay guys, and we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channel. Check it out, they can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, for the audio system, which fuses we need to check, we will demonstrate on this BMW 5 Series here. You guys have many hidden fuse boxes that 9 out of 10 people do not know they exist. We will recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW F10 F11. Go ahead and open the passenger door guys. Once you do that, you need to open your glove box. On the very back, on the right side, you have a cover. Remove it and you will find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do is check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay? And we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below, how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So guys, if you want to buy fuses, relays, parts, tools at a really good price, quick shipping as well guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below guys. Make sure you get some for peace of mind, and you can put some spare ones in the glove box. So guys, for the radio, also known as audio system, which fuses you need to check, multiple ones, 2 in this fuse box, some in other one as well. Make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. So if you come in that row of fuses here guys, that's fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4. Fuse number 4 will need to be checked right here. After that you will need to check fuse number 13. So in that row here, that's 15, 14, 13. Check that fuse there guys. After that, open the trunk. Once you guys open your trunk, on the right side you see that cover, we removed it, it's attached here, just pull it. Behind it you have another fuse box, and here, okay, we need to check more fuses. Okay, you wonder guys, okay, which fuses those will be. We start with fuse number 105. We're talking about that fuse right here, that's one of them. After that you need to check fuse number 118. So 118 guys, it's in that row of fuses here, that's right there, that 10 amp fuse. You need to check fuse number 119. as well. Then you need to check fuse number 120 and 21. So these 4 fuses here will need to be checked, guys, all of them. Next, you will need to check 2 more. One of them is fuse number 185. It's that second fuse right here. Check this one, very important fuse. And after that, you need to check, guys, one more, and that will be fuse number 200. So that's 204, 3, 2, 1, 200 will be right there, guys. Okay, check that fuse as well. All these will need to be checked for the radio and audio system as well. So you guys have all kinds of different fuses, relays, okay, in that car. So what we recommend, guys, okay, buy some spare fuses, relays, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't get one, okay, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere. So always keep some spare fuses and relays in your glove box, guys. That way you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Hopefully the video was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.